I have received some questions about what you need to be studying for the proctored exam. So I'm going to go through again some things that you need to be doing. In your modules, first of all, there is a link on how to be successful in this course. When you get down there, there's a link that says how to study for this class, and it explains to you what to do, where to go, all that stuff. So I'm going to go through that anyway. In each chapter for that module, we'll use chapter 1. You've got an overview which says this is what you're going to learn, learning materials, this is how you're going to learn it. Step 3, you're going to practice by doing some homework. And then step 4, you've got a quiz, and then you've got a summary. So overview, learning materials, homework, assessment, and a summary. So let's start at the top. This is your overview. You have this for each chapter. It says this is what we're going to learn. And there's again your paper on how to study for this class. Okay, the next link is your learning materials. So this is a Wix website that's just embedded in here. There's going to be a page for, so you can just go ahead and click that if you want, and it'll open into a new web page. All right, here's chapter 1. Here's a PowerPoint and an outline. So what you should be doing is printing out the outline. This is what you need to learn for this chapter. When you read your chapter, you go through, you fill this out. This is everything that you need in order to be successful in your homework and your quiz. There's a PowerPoint there also that follows the same thing. You can go to this Quizlet and you can study your terms right here. Okay, let's go back to the module. And let's see, chapter 1 module. There's some extra things in here that you can look at. So this is what you're going to learn, how you're going to learn it. This is a link to the digital reading. This is a video. It's the PowerPoints with just some narration. And the next thing is test your knowledge. None of this is for a grade. You only have a homework, a discussion, and either a quiz or test for a grade each week. But if you open up this practice test, it's running a little slow. This is test your knowledge. Now I've clicked chapter 1 here, but let's say you're just want to practice chapter 4. You can come over here. It says there are 90 questions available. If you just pick 10, you could go ahead and pick 4, 5, and 6. And let's pick 50 questions. Take the test. It's going to give you some practice questions for chapters 4, 5, and 6. So what you can do is go through the outline, fill it out, do your homework. There is a Quizlet link also on the home page, and you're going to go to, there's chapters 4, 5, and 6 that you can practice here. So you can do Quizlet, you can do practice tests through Cengage, you can, do whatever else you usually do to help you study. Inside of each chapter's module, this one opens to chapter 6. Reading, test prep, flashcards, PowerPoint, slideshow, test your knowledge, and then there's your actual homework. So there's all these different things that you can use to help you study for your test. The test covers 3 chapters. Usually it's about 45 to 50 questions for a 3-chapter test, and I try to space it evenly, so that would be 15 questions, 15 and 15 from each chapter. If you have a 2-chapter test, it would be less questions than that. So that's what you should be doing. Let me just show you one other thing. Also, under each chapter, this is how you navigate over here, chapter by chapter. There is a YouTube channel that has things that are related to the chapter in there. So different ones will have different things. This is for chapter 1 YouTube playlist. But here's 1, 2, 3. It goes through all the different playlists. So that's what you should be doing. If you have any more questions about this, let me know.